Why did you open an Indian restaurant?
I love to cooking Indian food, and I study also Indian cuisine, and this is my dream. I want to open one Indian restaurant.
Did you guys enjoy the food you ate?
Oh, lovely. It was amazing. Super delicious.
Oh, it was lovely. Very yummy food, very authentic. Like back home, it's called like dhaba style. Very nice.
Chicken biryani was out of the world. So, 10 stars.